Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Micromax X418 feature phone. On the front of the package, we can see the phone itself through this clear plastic molded packaging. On the front, on the display, there is a sticker which has some of the salient features, which include Bluetooth calling and Bluetooth speaker, an ultra bright torch, wireless FM radio, and support for 21 regional languages. On the left hand side of the package, we have some more features which include auto call recording, a camera, and a music and video player. The features continue on the right hand side as well. We have a 2500 mAh battery with power saving mode, dual SIM functionality, and a 4.49 centimeter or 1.77 inch display. On the top and on the bottom, we simply have some Micromax branding. On the back, we have some information about the manufacturer right on top. Underneath that, we have some information regarding the customer care. To the right hand side, we can see the symbol that shows that this product is BIS certified. And lastly, on the bottom right, we have the Made in India symbol. That's about it on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a user guide. This should help you familiarize yourself with the various functions and buttons of this feature phone. Next up, we have the battery, which is pretty chunky for a feature phone, and it too has the BIS certification. On top, we have the Micromax branding. Next up, we have the charger. As we can see, it is a standard 2.2 pronged Indian plug. There's some Micromax branding on the charger unit, and we have a micro USB interface on the other end. The cable is approximately 44 to 45 inches long. Coming to the phone, we can clearly see that there is a black and silver color theme going for it. The front has the Micromax logo under the display and the X418 model number on top of the display. The keypad is a standard alphanumeric keypad, and there is also a Devanagari script on it. The main OK button has a symbol of a torch on it, which is to show that pressing that should activate the torch that is on the top. The back has some Micromax branding and it is matte black in finish. Up top, we have the speaker grill, behind which we would find the speaker, and on the left hand side, we have the camera module. So let's fire this phone up and see it in action. Before we fire it up, we can see the dual SIM card slots right up here in the middle of the battery compartment, and on the bottom we have the memory card slot. Now that we have fired up the device, we can see that it is displaying the time. On the top right, we have the battery indicator. On the bottom, we have the menu button on the left, the menu option on the left, and the contacts option on the right. The buttons for which would be this button on the left and this button on the right. Underneath those buttons, we have the call accept and call reject button. The call reject button can also be used as a of the power button. In the middle, we have the torch button or the OK button. So let's see how it activates the LED light. Long pressing the torch button activates the torch on the top. Around the main torch or select button, we have the D-pad, which helps us navigate through the menus of this feature phone. Lastly, on the bottom, we have a 3.5mm aux port and a micro USB port for charging. So this was the unboxing of the Micromax X418 feature phone. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.